Welcome to Tampines Biz-Hub, one of Capital Land's many great offerings for your business needs. Come, let me show you. Located in close proximity to Tampines Industrial Estate, this four-storey light industrial building offers workspaces ideal for companies in the electronics, manufacturing, freight forwarding services, and IT industries. This location is great for light factory work, such as storage, distribution, servicing, and repair works. Here's the reason why. Units in this building have regular floor plates for efficient space planning and high ceilings of up to 8 meters. You can also find ground floor units with direct loading access. Curious about your lunch options? In the vicinity, there is an array of F&B outlets and canteens available. Alternatively, Safra Tampines is just within walking distance, and you can find more dining spots, as well as entertainment and sports facilities. If you travel by car, you can also head to Tampines Round Food Centre, which is only 5 minutes drive away. That's not all. Tampines MRT station is also easily accessible, where you can find a wider selection of lifestyle amenities such as dining, retail, and banking. Getting to Tampines Biz-Hub is convenient, as it is just 5 minutes drive from the Pan Island Expressway. It is also highly accessible from Tampines West MRT station, Tampines Bus Interchange, and Singapore Changi Airport. If you're looking for an industrial space with great accessibility and quality specifications, Tampines Biz-Hub might just be the right choice for your business needs. For more information on Tampines Biz-Hub, please call or drop us an email. We look forward to meeting you in person and giving you a tour of the space.